Today we're going to learn how to make an easy back-to-school gift box to get to your teacher. You're going to need 2 square pieces of paper. I'm using 12 inches by 12 inches, but any size will work. Use a ruler to draw a straight line between both sets of opposite corners. If you're using a 12 by 12 like me, it's actually better to use something longer, like a yardstick, but a ruler will work fine. We really just need that line in the middle. Fold each corner inward until it touches the center line. Now fold each edge inward until it touches the center line. The creases and lines sort of form squares and triangles. Cut along the second square and triangle right of the corner. Cut the triangle to the right of that off. Then, turn the paper 90 degrees and repeat with the other 3 sides. You now have 4 small tails and 4 larger arrow-looking things. Fold each arrow over the tail until it is flat in the middle of the box. Secure with a piece of tape. Okay, now for the top of the box, we're going to repeat these steps, making one small change so that the lid of the box fits over the bottom. Use a ruler to draw a straight line between both sets of opposite corners. Fold each corner inward, but this time, don't go all the way to the line. Fold each edge inward, but again, don't go all the way to the line. Cut along the second square and triangle right of the corner. Cut the triangle to the right of that off. Fold the arrows over the tails and use tape to hold everything together. Fill the box with a gift for your teacher. I recommend school supplies or candy. Take a piece of ribbon and tie a bow around the box. Thanks so much for watching! Make sure to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what paper crafts you'd like to see in future videos.